You seen this, right? You seen all this rain, right? Rain, rain, you a pain. Get your bitch ass down the drain. Oh, what's up with you, man? What's up with you? This rain doing you good? Messing up your car? Boring. There's not really much anything to do or talk about on a rainy day or a rainy night like this one. Don't worry, that zero sugar shit. I ain't ruining myself today. Not this year. Look at all this work here. You seeing this? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Moxmaster from Moxmaster TV, and I am bored as hell. Got nothing to do except just stay here and make some vlogs of me just sitting in here on a rainy day. Oh Lord, I'm depressed. On nights like this, I just like to chill on the couch, start watching YouTubers who make me laugh, like this guy here. Yeah. Buy our merchandise. This is just entertainment for me on a rainy day. I'm just gonna do this till it stops raining. No dice. In fact, I think that just made it rain even harder. If you hold this up to a certain light, you can see like the color of the beverage in there. You probably can't see it because this camera sucks. This is prime content. This is greatness in its purest form. Bitch, if you don't get this camera out of my face, it's about to... Check out my new homie, Panda Gang. It's still raining, so this night is going nowhere. I'm going to bed. Good night.